Hey there, this is Jake Danklefs of Dank & Co. Custom Footwear out of San Antonio, Texas. We're here at the Tandy Leather headquarters today, and we're going to be restoring these Royal Jordan 1s. They're pretty beat up, but we're going to make them look good. So we're just going to stuff these, kind of give them some volume so they're not all collapsed. A little bit more. Today we're going to be using the Angelus Easy Cleaner kit. It comes with their premium sneaker cleaner brush and a towel as well. And you can get all these products at Tandy Leather. Yeah, so we have some warm water here. We're gonna get some of our solution. Put it right in, that should be enough. And so the kit comes with this brush, which is a great brush. We're definitely gonna be using that all over the shoe. But we wanna get some of this loose stuff off with this boar's hair brush. You can also get at Tandy. So I'm gonna mix that in a little bit, and we're gonna get to scrubbing here. So, we're just getting anything loose, all the loose kind of non-caked on dirt we're getting off of here with this, and then we'll come back after a good wipe down, clean off a little bit more. Now with this stiffer brush here, we're going to try to get some of the deep down dirt that's stuck into some of these threads and get the bottom nice and clean here. We're going to get the inside of the shoe here a little bit as well. So now we're just going to get into some of these cracks here, get anything that the brush didn't get. There might be a little bit of loose particles here and stuff that the brush couldn't get. Maybe a little piece of glue or gum or something. For the most part, pretty clean. Alright, now we're going to use some scissors and a lighter. We got a lot of little, like, you know, little frayed pieces here and there. Threads have come loose. You know, all those little things unsightly, so we just want to snip them off and buzz off any that we see as well. Just give this a newer, fresher look to it. This little detail goes a long way. all the major stuff is snipped off. Take a lighter to it, just be careful. You know, you just want to kind of flash it. You don't want to leave the lighter on there too long. But just kind of flash it away. Get rid of any kind of loose threads. You can even hear them just singe away. All right, pretty good so far.